Welcome to SGS online classes. Today in class 5 math I will explain chapter 5 fraction word problem. Student, here we have one question. 4 by 7 of a number is 84. Find the number. There is any number which we don't know. That number 4 by 7 is 84. Student, I have explained this off. What is this off? If we change this off, we will change it. What we do? We multiply. Solution. 4 by 7 into number is equal to 84. We don't know that number. Simply I have written number. Now, number is equal to, when we change the position of the fraction from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, student, what we do? We write the multiplicative inverse of that fraction, and the operation we are doing, that operation we will do. Here we are multiplying, so when we change the position of this fraction, what we do? We will multiply there also. Number is equal to 84 into 7 by 4. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. So now cross multiplication, we can divide it, we can reduce it. 4 to 8, 4 1 4. 7 1 7, 7 2 14. Number is equal to 147. So this is our answer. Student, question is, Manu reads 2/5 of 80 pages of his lesson. How many more pages has he read to complete his lesson? 2/5 of 80 pages. Manu read 2/5 of 80 pages. Solution. Student, we can write in this manner. 2/5 of 80 pages. How many pages? 2/5 is in fraction. So student, what we will do? 2 by 5 of into 80. Student, solve it. What we do? We cut it. 5 1 5. 8 minus 5 3. 5 6 30. 16 to 32. How many pages he read? 32 pages he read. So Manu reads 32 pages. How many more pages he has to read to complete his lesson? The student, what we do? We subtract. He has to read total number of pages 80, and he already has read 32 pages. So what we do? 80 minus 32. 10 minus 2 8. 10 minus 2, this 8 has given one there, so here what we have? 7. 7 minus 3 4. So 48 pages still he has to read. So Manu has to read 48 pages. Student, next question. How many 1/5s are there in 100? We don't know how many 1/5s. In 100, how many 1/5 are there? 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So what we do? If we divide this 1/5, if we divide 100 by 1/5, we will come to know that how many 1/5s are there. So 100 divided by 1 by 5. 1/5 we can write as 1 by 5. So student, and if we are dividing the fraction, what we do? We change the division symbol into multiplication symbol and we write the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. So 5 by 1, 5 into 100, 5. So student, 500 1 by 5 are there in 100. How much? 500. 1 by 5 how many? 500 1 by 5 are there in 100. Next question. The product of 7 by 9 and a number is 63. If we are saying product of 7 by 9 and a number, there is any number which we don't know. We have to find that number. 7 by 9 into number is equal to 63. Product of 7 by 9 and the number is 63. So what we do? Let that number is x. 7 by 9 into x is equal to 63. X is equal to 63 into, we are changing this fraction, position of the fraction. We are changing the position of the fraction from left hand side to right hand side. So what we do? We write the multiplicative inverse of this fraction. 9 by 7. 7 9 63. X is equal to 9 multiply 9. 9 9 81. Student, 81. So this is our answer. So 7 by 9 into a number is equal to 63. In question it is given like this. Let a number is equal to x. 7 by 9 into x is equal to 63. X is equal to 63 into 9 by 7. 7 9 63. We have reduced. Now 9 multiply 9, 81. X is equal to 81. Student, question. 6/7 of a number is 36. 6/7 of a number is 36. Find the number. Same question again. 6/7 we can write as 6 by 7 of a number. Multiply a number is equal to 36. Let a number be x. Let a number be x. Now 6 by 7 into x is equal to 36. 6 by 7 into x is equal to 36. Now student, x is equal to, we will change the position of this fraction from left hand side to right hand side. So what we do? We write 36 into 7 by 6. 7 by 6. We will write the multiplicative inverse of this fraction and we will do multiplication only. Now 6 6 36. 6 multiply 7 42. X is equal to 42. So our number is 42. If you want to check, you can check also. See here. 6 by 7 into 42. 7 6 42. 6 6 multiply 36. Student, we have got this 36. So this number is what? 42 only. Next question. 3 by 5 of a class of 45 are girls. Find the number of boys in the class. Student, what is the strength of the class? 45. So in that 45, 3 by 5 are girls. So what is the number of boys? First we find out the 3 5 quantity 3 by 5 of 45. So what we do? Number of girls is equal to 3 by 5 into 45. Now divided, reduce it, 5 9 45, 3 9 27. So number of girls 27. Total strength is 45. Students, class is equal to 45. Now what we have to do? Number of boys is equal to 45 minus 27. Number of boys 45 minus 27. This 5 is less than 7. So what we do? We borrow 1 from this. 4. This has become 3. This has become 15. 15 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8. 3 minus 2, 1. So number of boys 18. Student, number of boys is equal to 18. There are 18 boys in the class and 27 girls in the class. If you add both 27 and 18, you will get 45. See here, 27, 18. To check our answer is right or not. 7 to 14, 115, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. We have got 45. So our answer is correct. Student, Rian and 2 of his friends ate 1/4 each of an 8-slice pizza. Find the remaining slice of pizza. Student, this is our pizza. Now I have divided into 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces. Rian ate 1/4 of that 8-slice pizza. His one friend ate 1/4 of that 8-slice pizza. His another friend ate 1/4 of 8-slice pizza. Now what is that quantity of 1/4? Rian ate 1/4 of 8 slices pizza. So what is that? 1/4 into 8. 4 to 8 means 2 slices. Student, 2 slices. Rian ate 2 slices. One friend ate 1/4 of 8 slice pizza. Same pattern, 1/4 into 8, 4 to 8, 2 slices. Other friend one by 4 of 8 slice pizza. 1/4 into 8, 4 to the 8, 2 slices. So Rian ate 2 slices, student. His one friend ate 2 slices, another friend ate 2 slices. So total number of slices ate by Rian and his friend. Total slices 8 by Rian and his and 2 of his friend. 2 of his friends, student, is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2, total 6. How many slices? 6 slices. So first we found out how much Rian ate. Rian ate 2 slices. 1 by 4 of 8 is 2. His one friend ate 1 by 4 of 8, means 2 slices. Other friend ate 1 by 4 of 8, it means 2 slices. Yes, so now total slices ate by Rian and 2 of his friend, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Total 6 slices. Now, remaining pizza. Remaining slices of pizza. Eight minus 6. Total was 8, they ate 6. So how much? 8 minus 6, 2 pizza. 2 slices remaining. This is our answer. So student, in this way we have to solve. One pizza, 8 slices, and each one ate 1 by 4th of 8. So what is the quantity of 1 by 4th of 8? 2 slices. So 2 Rian ate, his friend ate 2, other friend ate 2, total 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 slices. Now student, remaining slices of pizza, total minus 8. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 slices. So 2 slices are remaining. So chapter 5 fraction word problem completed. Thank you.